After installing the tray washing machine, connect the power supply first. There are 3 live wires and 1 neutral wire. After connecting, the indicator light will turn green. If it turns red, simply swap any 2 live wires. The control panel displays the temperature on the left and the frequency on the right. The buttons below are Heating 1, Heating 2, Water Pump 1, Water Pump 2, Conveyor Switch, Conveyor Speed Control Knob, Emergency Stop Switch, Power Indicator.